Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network and AutoHunter. We are here at the Palm Beach auctions with Barrett Jackson here, and behind me is quite the interesting car. This is actually a race car replica based off the 1986 Corvette GTP race car. So this car has been reproduced from the original Lola molds. So, and as you can see here, it's actually been painted underneath and it has been wrapped over by what is a sort of post-race livery. So you can see here, it's got some fake scars and things like that that make it look like it just came off the racetrack, rubber from other race cars, all sorts of things. You can see obviously it's sporting the traditional sort of race livery, so to speak. Currently we have the clamshell for the back is currently opened up. The car of course has a lot of modern amenities. It actually has things like air conditioning, a full Racetech dash, power windows, and the car has a brand new 383 Chevy engine in the back as well, mated to a transaxle with a 5-speed manual transmission. So this car is absolutely incredible, and I think they did a fantastic job of recreating the race car, and including going as far as making the wing out of carbon fiber. This car is absolutely incredible here at Barrett Jackson. So you just get a look at the whole thing. The fact that it's a race car, has all the good stuff, but doesn't make any sacrifices with all the modern amenities. So with that, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like that, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what you thought of the video. If you want to see more stuff like this, definitely let us know, but definitely don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.